Hi, today I'm making two types of fondue. Now, fondue is something I like to have around with my husband. We do cheese fondue and chocolate fondue, and so I'm going to demonstrate both of those. So you're going to begin with 3 ounces of Emmental Swiss cheese. Forgive the pronunciation, and about 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. And I use two small cloves of garlic and a half a cup of Bud Light, as well as 1 teaspoon of ground mustard. And we're also going to use Worcestershire sauce. So I use about 3 ounces. It's not very much, a couple of shakes, and then a tablespoon of cornstarch. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the half a cup of beer. You're going to add the garlic to the beer. And in my electric fondue pot, it sort of starts to bubble pretty fast and it cooks. And so I add my Worcestershire sauce. And before I add the cheese to that sort of beer and Worcestershire sauce mixture, I add the cornstarch to the cheese and toss it around. And then I'm going to add the cheese to the beer and garlic and Worcestershire sauce, and you're just going to stir that. And once you stir that, you'll begin to see that it's going to have a consistency that looks like fondue. I serve all kinds of bread and apples and veggies with it. It's so much fun. And again, I have a fondue pot, but you don't need a fondue pot. You can use an enamel skillet, a stock pot. You just have to, be very careful about the heat. So I usually serve a main course after we have fondue, and then I finish up with chocolate. So the chocolate fondue is super easy to do. It is literally 4 ingredients: heavy cream. I have chocolate chips, peanut butter, and vanilla. I know peanut butter is an unusual element to chocolate fondue, but it actually makes it. It's really interesting. So you're going to start with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of chocolate chips. I just used the semi-sweet, excuse me, and a teaspoon of vanilla, and literally a quarter cup of peanut butter. And I'm mixing the ingredients. Now, there are some recipes that say to add the vanilla after you've done all the cream and the chocolate and the peanut butter, but I've never found a difference. So it's really your choice. I have strawberries and marshmallows, Rice Krispies, and bananas to dip with. You can dip with anything you want. It definitely is a lot of fun to do. It's perfect for Christmas and for New Year's. It's a little bit of prep time in terms of the work, but it's definitely a fun kind of interactive activity. So that's my 2 kinds of fondue.